Hello friends, today I would like to show you a very interesting plant whose name is Ceropegia woodii, but much better name is English name, string of hearts. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful hanging plant that goes down, 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 and if you forget to water it by the chance, nothing happens because it's in a way succulent. You see it has a, hard to see, a bulb right there, and it has a beautiful tiny whiny flowers. So let me see if I can find one to show you here. Look at that beautiful flower. And once it gets pollinated, it creates seed pod, well, pair of seed pods that look like this, that have seeds in them. Well, that's all I can tell you about this beautiful plant, string of hearts, that'll hang down, 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 down from your balcony, or hanging basket on the windowsill, or whatever. Very suitable, for instance, for the Valentine's Day. And that's all for now. Bye bye, see you next week. I purchased this plant, Tiny Whiny, at Etsy.com, and it came in a package in a very good shape.